everyone, welcome to Kidz Vidz. Today, we will be making a transforming Ninja Star. And you're probably wondering right now, how does it transform? Well, you might think this might break, but if I just pull it apart, it'll transform into a frisbee. And then if you just push it back together, it turns back into the Ninja Star. And today I'll be showing you how to make this. So let's get started. So, I have 2 sheets of paper. I'm going to tear both of these into fourths. You can use scissors if you want, but I want to use the old-fashioned way by tearing. So, I fold this in half. Make a very sharp crease with your fingernail so it'll be easier to rip. Unfold it and fold it in half the other direction. And also make a very sharp crease. So now that you have a plus on this paper, you have to do the same thing on one more square sheet of paper. And now, what you're going to do is you're going to make a small tear at the top of your paper where the plus was. And then keep your hands on the 2 sides of the paper and slowly separate them. And now we are going to tear these two, and then this whole plus. So now that I have made all my 8 little squares, I'm going to show you how to fold the pieces in order to make the Ninja Star. So move all these pieces aside and I'll start with one. So what I'm going to do is, if you want a colored one, you're going to begin the white side up. And then you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to unfold it, and then you're going to fold it diagonally in half. And now unfold it, and then fold it diagonally in the other direction. Now unfold. Now you want to orient the paper so that the fold you made in half is vertical. And now what you're going to do is take these 2 corners and fold them to the center. Now what you're going to do is take this whole thing and fold it in half. Now the final step is to take this corner, push it like that, and then take this edge and push it inside and close these 2 flaps. And now you have your first piece completed. And now you have to do this 7 more times.
Bruh.
Now that I have all 8 of my pieces, I'm going to start off by connecting 2 pieces. So I'm going to take 2 pieces. Now as you can see, these 2 flaps are here. Make sure the corner opposite to the 2 flaps is like this. And then we're going to take the other piece and make sure that the 2 flaps are on this side. You're going to just slide them together. And make sure the corners align. And now, as you can see, you have some excess triangles right here. So what you're going to do is take these 2 triangles and fold them over this edge. And make a nice sharp crease. And now do the same thing with the other excess triangle. And now what you're going to do is open up this flap, and now we're going to insert the triangles inside inside there. And then you're going to close it. So now we have connected 2 of the pieces. And now all the pieces are connected the exact same way, but the last 2 might be hard.
Huh?
So now I'm going to connect the rest of my pieces. So now we are down to the last 2 pieces. So these might be a little different, so I'm going to show you how to do them. So you're going to take a piece and you're going to slide it in here. And then you're going to do the exact same thing. Hold it. And now you're going to take your last piece. But before you connect your last piece, make sure that this edge is in between these 2 flaps. And now you're going to take this, and now you're going to kind of clip it onto this, and you're going to slide this in here at the same time. And now, you guys know what to do from here. You're going to take these flaps, fold them, and put them in the pockets. Now before you transform this back into the Ninja Star, you have to make sure that all the flaps are in the pockets nice and secure. And now, the most fun part of this model. And now this is your transforming Ninja Star. Just pull it apart. And you have a frisbee. Ta-da!